Hey, what's up internet? How's it going? Testing out to see if this mic is good on these headphones. I hope you liked my three-part series of how I edit the vlog. I'm trying to get back into running, walking, exercise basically. It's very, very windy today, but I hope this is a good microphone. Hate it if it sucked, but yeah, it's my first part of my walk where I just go. I'm not on the roundabout where I come back, so probably see on my comeback. It's the summer and it's cold. I don't understand it and I don't like it. I kind of like it, but I don't understand it. So I was looking at the agenda that VidCon puts out, and they don't have the Friday night concert, which really sucks because that's one thing I was looking forward to. I was gonna have my older sister come and we were gonna be ground level watching all the bands play, but that's not gonna happen, and it really sucks. Oh, so now I'm making my way back. I'm actually going against the wind, and it is tough. It's creating a lot of resistance, and I'm not liking it. I like that it's really cold, but it's making my walk just a little bit tougher, which I guess is okay. But yeah, I'm trying to, I think I said something yesterday, no, the day before, about t-shirts me and my dad are gonna wear. So I'll put up the prototype right now. I don't know if it's gonna be final. I don't even have a printer to make the t-shirts. It's just something I want to do. I hope you can hear me through all this wind. But hopefully we can get those t-shirts made for every day. What is it? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, maybe Sunday. Today I'm going to Disneyland. We'll see. I don't know if I'm going to take my Canon camera. Most likely I will. I just don't know yet. I don't know what my plan is to record. I know I'm gonna vlog. I don't know if I want to Snapchat or Periscope or whatever. Maybe I'll Periscope. It's just a whole bunch of things that I could be doing. It'd be nice if I had more people helping me. Somebody Periscope, somebody Snapchat, somebody record VidCon with a Canon camera while I vlog. A whole bunch of things. I'm gonna try and get my dad to vlog. That's the one thing I want to do. Give him the GoPro and have him vlog. And you can see what he does during VidCon. Because one time last year, I was waiting in line for a panel, and he snuck into a panel with Grace Helbig and got to see Grace Helbig before me. So you know, I never know. My dad could walk around somewhere and bump into somebody and not even know who they are. I'm almost done with my walk. It's a lot of walking, 3.5 miles. I'm gonna finish the vlog before the camera dies. Today was a good day. Getting back on my my walking schedule. Feel good, feel tired. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.